Hi, so I'm just going to show an unboxing for my July order from the New Zealand doTERRA Fulfillment Centre. Okay, so I got some MetaPower Advantage, which is the collagen, and the MetaPower system has just come to New Zealand in our fulfillment centre, so that's exciting. I've got another TerraZyme, which I actually got with my points, so I got that free. And I bought the turmeric, which is the dual capsules, so they release further down in the colon, not in the stomach. These make a huge difference for me as far as recovering from exercise and inflammation goes. So this has just come to the New Zealand Fulfillment Centre as well, so we don't have to buy it from the US. So this one I'm looking forward to. That's a new way they've got on the bottle. They've got the trees. So it's the Shinrin Yoku, which is the forest bathing blend. So this is a product from Australia and New Zealand. So I'm really looking forward to that. And this On Guard Protective Blend, which my mother wanted. And this is the free product of the month, which you get when you spend over 125 points, which is Lavender Touch. So that will be nice. So the MetaPower Advantage makes a huge difference as far as my nails go particularly, and my hair, which has never recovered really since I had a thyroid condition.